شو اسمك؟
I speak English.
What's your name?
Ibrahim,
Ibrahim. Where are you from?
Belgium, but I come from Somalia.
Originally you're Somalian.
Yeah.
What are you going to do here?
I'm just going to let my body talk instead of my mouth.
All right, that's better probably. Go ahead.
Go ahead يا ابراهيم go ahead.
شوف شو رح يقلنا بجسمه العظيم.
بيتك يخرب بيتك.